I'm just going to do a follow-up video. I did an unboxing video for the Grid Connect gang switches, they're smart switches, and yeah, they looked pretty good, and a few people have commented that they'd like to see them installed and a little bit of how they work. So just to have a look at that. So here are the switches. It's a nice, clean unit, and the neat thing about this is it's just touch. So there's no real, you don't have to, it's not like a flick switch. Just a very soft touch, and they're very responsive. And I don't know if you can see that there's a slight blue light, so you can see that they're on. Weirdly enough, that blue light isn't on when they're off. So at night time they're not illuminated. I don't know if that's something you can set up, but I certainly haven't found it. But yeah, so when you turn them on, oops, it's just an easy touch. All right, let's go have a look at the automation side of things. So a few people have wanted to know a bit more about what the Grid Connect looks like on the phone. So if we go into the app, I've set up the two lights there. So it's a fan in the pool and the entry light. So these are two of them. Oh, I just turned everything on. Don't need those on. So very quickly to turn on and off. So the fan, and you can set the settings on how fast you want the fan to go. And the pool light you can turn on and have an auto timer off if you like to, do that there. So that's very, literal. The other one I had, which I showed you, was the 4-switch, the gang switch. So they're all labelled there, so you can connect them to your Google Home and turn them on and off. So if you can go back here and set up some scenes and automation. So a few cool things, there's lots of different options you can set up, but say for the pool light, it's all set up to go at sunset, turn the pool light on. Very easy. So if you want to set up a new one, when the weather changes, I don't know, for some reason if you wanted it to turn on when the wind speed was greater than, I don't know why you'd do this, but anyway, 7 meters per second. You'd want to run the device, whatever device you want. You want to turn the fan on for a weird reason. Next, and you're done. And you can set that to be at night or during the day. There's lots of different options for you to set up your different, And if you don't like that one, which is a bit weird, you can get rid of it. Alright, so I hope that helps. You can set it up for coming home. It's got location, so if you have a look in here again, I can show you when location changes. You can just do a straight old schedule, or when the weather changes, and that's quite handy, especially sunrise and sunset, or the temperature maybe, for your fan. Tap to trigger is just, you can set it so you can put a button on the front screen and tap it and it will go. Alright, I hope that helps. See ya.